And these are the students. Teams have reached the finals, and this is the team called Wolves. Wolves, and that is the team called Panthers. Okay, these two teams have reached finals. So the teachers are going to say all the best. Come on, one by one, give shake hand and say all the best to the finals who reaching finals in kabaddi. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come all this, all teachers. Wait a minute. Wait.
Play nicely.
Two teams, Wolves and Panthers teams have reached to the final in kabaddi. And senior, let's give it. Let's shout loudly. Okay, as my Redmore English Medium School started sports meet, and these are the two teams have reached to the final. Let us start. Who are riding and who is yours riding? Okay, the team Wolves team is now the time for riding. Okay, come on. Come inside. Right. Go. Don't time. Madam, watch. Say loudly. Two teams are there, Panthers and Wolves. Okay, you can shout Panthers or Wolves. Which one you want? Wolves and Panthers teams have reached the finals in the sports meet. Come on. Rider time out. Come on.
One bonus.
Bonus, need to. Need to step that one. Not out. Come on. Point, Ajay. Come on.
Slowly. Ajay, wait. Just right, don't go too near. No problem. No problem. Bonus also not coming. Wait.
These two teams have reached to the finals. Bonus tokki kaal pike lepali. Then only the point. Right. Enough. Good catch. Okay, come on. Don't waste your time.
Don't waste. Immediately you have to go.
You can immediately also you can run off.
Bonus point. Slowly. What you're doing? He's in front of the line only, Samalka.
Right. Come on, speed.
You have to do this. Ajay, wait.
Ajay, slowly go.
Don't hurry, don't go. Let him come inside. Hey. Wait.
Very good catch. Good catch by Akhil. Come on. Don't waste your time. This is final. Come on. 3 out. And 2 more. 2 marks and 3. 5. Right.
Come on, Jesse Ryder.
No problem. No problem. Wait. Akhil, slowly. Slowly. No problem. Let him go.
Wait, Akhil, straight now. Wait, before that line, don't catch him.
Say kabaddi.
Go, Nette, go. Hey. Go back. Outside, Nette, Nette.
Right. Come on.
Be careful, your
Come on. Oh, good catch. Good catch by Sabel John. Come on, fast. Why time waste?
Go back,
Wait. Hey, Manvit, come on. Manvit, come on. Manvit, go. Hey.
Sending him outside. Slowly, don't give your leg. Let's go back. Let's go.
Hey, Wolves team and Panthers team have reached the final and playing final kabaddi match. My Redeemer School sports meet, an annual meet. Come on. Encourage the students. Encourage it. Make a shout all. Wolves and Panthers. Come on, time up. Rider, time up. Come on. Out. Right, next. Come on. Right, out and court empty. Right, rider out. Hold. Right.
You also touching. Go.
Immediately.
Slowly. Biruti. Varun.
Don't give leg. Don't fast. I'm not having nothing. Don't give leg.
Come on. Wolves and Panthers, make a shout. Right. Right.
This way, you're wasting your time. Okay.
Akhil bonus. Don't go too far.
Wow, good catch. Wow, super. Wait.
Come here.
Hey, come.
This all out. Don't go this side. Attack in the middle. Be careful of your legs.
Come on. Akhil, come on. Good catch. Wait. 4 members. No other words using here. Come on, come on. Come on. Okay. Jesse Rider 18. Ajay 16. Jesse Rider team is winners. Okay. You played nicely, equally, but the last moment you only missing. Okay. So come and say, hey, come and give shake hand. Okay. Shake hand and hug yourself. Hug nicely. Right. Good. Okay. These are the teams have reached the final. And Jesse Rider team, that is the Panthers. Wolves team winning, and Panthers are second. First and second selected. Okay, right.